Meaning of distribution.
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 Distribution. Distribution refers to the way in which something is spread out or dispersed. It can refer to the spread of anything, such as goods, people, resources, or data. The term distribution is used in a variety of fields including economics, statistics, and logistics. The goal of distribution is often to ensure that resources are allocated efficiently and effectively to maximize their value. In short, distribution is about the management of resources and assets to ensure they are utilized effectively across various domains.